thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a small series where we will see about doors basically. So first we will see a simple door. When a player goes near the door opens. Second, we will see how to make it open when an interact key is pressed. And third, we will see how to replicate it. So first, let's start with a blank project. Let me create a new project for this. So I'm using third person template. Okay, we have our third person template character. Okay. Now let's go to content browser, create a new folder. So create a new blueprint class. Actor ep underscore doors base. So we have the default scene root. Add a scene component to this. Then add a static. We'll keep this as door mesh. So if you have the other meshes, you can include them as required, but I mean the door frame and other things. For now, I'm just using the door mesh. So with starter content, we already have a door. So just select that. Now add a collision component, box collision, to the default scene root. Keep it in the position where you want it to detect the player. So now we have. Let's place this on the map. Okay. Now on your event graph, on the box collision, add an event on component begin overlap. So this is when the character goes to this component. When it enters this component, the event will get triggered. To test it, we can just do a print string and plug the other actor. So we'll see what actor has entered. Now you can see the third person character is entered. Before that, looks like the door doesn't have collision, so we'll add that also. So click on the door mesh. Search for that door mesh, open it, and here on the details, scroll down and search for collision. The collision presets here, complex access simple. Save this. Now the door is being blocked. Now we are just printing who has, what player has overlapped. Instead of that, create a timeline. Open this and add a track, add a float track, and length can be 1. Add 2 new keys. The first key can be 0 and 0, and the second key can be and 1, and we can give so that it's a bit curvy. Now on the event graph, to play from start, get the scene component, set relative rotation, and for the rotation, hit the struct pin and take the Z and do a loop so that we have a smooth movement, and connect the door track to alpha, and for A let it be 0, and for B that's 1. Now let's see what happens, and we will make adjustments accordingly. Okay, so now the door opens. Okay. So the door opens. Our first thing is fine, but even after the door open, if we enter the collision, it starts opening again. So for that, we'll create a simple variable. It has to be Boolean. Set this to door opened as true, and here we will check a condition, branch door is not open, door opened is false, then it will play the door animation. Door is open. Now if you go near, it won't do anything. So this is just a simple door. When you overlap, it will open. And I wanted to cover it from basics, so I'll stop here in this video. Next video we will see how we can enhance it even better. If you like more of this type of content, please do let me know in comments. I'll try to I'll try to post more basic videos on Unreal Engine 5.4. Thanks for watching. Bye.